Hello everyone, we are back to explain you the basics of Python programming language. Python is a general purpose language, which means it can be used to build just about anything, which will be made easy with the right tools or libraries. Professionally, Python is great for backend web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. Here comes the features in Python. It is easy to code, free and open source, and also object-oriented language, graphical user interface programming support, extensible feature. It is a portable language, integrated language, and also a interpreted language. Speciality in Python programming when compared to the C and C++ programming, as it supports multiple programming paradigms including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Advantages: presence of third-party modules, extensive support libraries, open source and community development programs, learning ease and support available, user-friendly data structures, productivity and speed. Disadvantages: speed, where Python is slower than C and C++. Mobile development, here Python is not a very good language for mobile development. Memory consumption, as Python is not a good choice for memory intensive tasks. Database access, Python has limitations with database access. Runtime errors. Applications: GUI based desktop applications, image processing and graphic design applications, scientific and computational applications, and it also used in games, web frameworks and web applications, enterprise and business applications, operating system applications, language development applications, at last prototyping applications.
For more interesting videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.